welcome back to the OG Kidz.
So today we are going to be playing, drum roll, my
Least favorite game.
last to leave the rain outside. So it's
Yeah,
like pouring outside. Whoever lasts out there longest wins.
Yep, so let's get to it. The challenge starts now.
Hey guys, so I can't see a good angle to film here, so you're just gonna have a below shot of me. But I'm gonna eat my whips on here. Yeah, they're pretty good. I don't hear any bikes or electric scooters, so that even means that everyone's on the opposite side of the neighborhood or in a loss. I think I'm gonna go investigate a little. But I might hear JC's getting after one time. JC, you want to film in the Lions?
It's really comfy.
So me and Johanna officially having the Lions for the meantime, just while we're under this. Because only one person's allowed in the spot unless you're having a Lions. And so we have an Alliance, so she can come under the stairs.
Ethan put pretzels in my water.
You can put pretzels in her water.
Yes. No, I can't drink my water because they're all soggy.
Ethan, it's your turn for the camera. All right.
Hey guys. And I'm just gonna yeet my pretzels down. I just yeet them. I yeeted them, now we're good to go. Jesse! How do I hold this? Jesse! Okay, so hey. So, I'm going, and it's very slippery on my scooter because it's very wet outside and it's hard. Whoops. 1 second. Whoops. And it's hard to stop on my scooter. So, yeah. Here you go. Here you go.
Okay, guys. I hope that footage is actually good. It wasn't trash. By the looks of it, it's gonna be trash. She was like handing it from one hand. Let's go. Oh, is this upside down? Sorry. Oh my. Back on track. I'm positive I don't want to make an alliance. Isabel wants to make an alliance, but I think no. What would you guys choose? Comment in the comments down below. I'm gonna go back now. You might see a little weird footage with a shaky camera, so yeah. Oh, Johanna, you left the rain? Goodbye challenge, goodbye glory. What's up?
I give up.
You give up?
I hate the rain. I'm all out of pretzels. I saw some lightning and I can't do it.
Oh no. Well, you're not done yet until you step foot in the garage. And Ethan's done. And Isabel's the winner.
Hey!
Do you know what you win?
What?
You win a whole box of Oreos.
Yeah!
Sorry, Ethan, you were so close.